Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Brandon with Slingmods.com, and today I'll be showing you how to install one of our most popular canvas roof systems for the Polaris Slingshot, the Bullet Speed VBAC. Do you ever contemplate which ride to take out, only to decide that it's just too hot for the Slingshot? Well, the VBAC top from Bullet Speed has you covered. With their aluminum, CNC bent, TIG welded rooftop, featuring a Sunbrella canvas for years of fade-resistant protection, this top not only protects you from that baking sun, but drastically reduces cabin noise, allowing both you and your passenger to stay comfortable and actually carry on a conversation at highway speeds. Now, if conversation isn't your thing, or if you're looking to work on that summer tan, no worries, as the canvas top can easily be removed. Bringing you right back to that open air environment, the removable canvas top can easily be stored in one of your rear storage compartments until the next time you need it. Now, I waited to uncrate the rooftop as I wanted to show you just how well this comes delivered to your front door. You can custom design your Bullet Speed VBAC top at Slingmods.com. Using our free online design software, you'll be able to select your powder-coated frame color, canvas color, and even an optional canvas stripe color, allowing you to get a visual of your custom top before clicking that buy button. Now that our custom top has arrived, let's get started with the install.
Start by using a 13mm socket to remove your mirrors. Using an 8mm Allen, remove the mirror plate bolts. Now attach the two trapezoid plates to the top of your roll hoops and be sure to leave finger tight. Then take the triangle mounting plate and attach it to the inside of the trapezoid plates using the longer of the two bolts. Next, open your hood and grab a friend to help you lift the top up and onto the Slingshot. Now take the smaller bolts to attach the top to the triangle plates. Then, reuse the bolts from your mirror plates to attach the front of the top. Once those are nice and tight, go back through and tighten down the rest of your bolts. And then finally, you can reattach your mirrors.
can see, whether you're searching for a slick new look or just wanting to enjoy some more time on the road in conditions that were previously undrivable, the Bullet Speed V-Back Top is the way to go. So be sure to head over to slingmods.com today to check out the various combinations and pick up one for yourself. And remember to click that like button below and subscribe if you found this video helpful. I'm Brandon with Slingmods, signing out. We'll see you next time.